I normally film, but for hair tutorials, this is the best place because I have everything that I need. So, okay, as you can see in the title, I'm going to be doing hair bleach bath, a bleach bath. But mine's a little different because I have a special ingredient. Let's show you what it is. Okay, this is my special ingredient. I used it before and it literally took all of this color out of my hair in one treatment. And that's the goal because you don't want to use bleach more than what you have to. So, what I'm gonna do, right now I have like it looks pink, but it's actually like a lavendery, purpley, kind of still bright color because I use Arctic Fox. But it's been about a month or so and I got that itch again, so I need to do something with it. And this time I'm going blue. But anyways, first, my secret ingredient. Coconut oil, that's right, coconut oil. This stuff is super awesome. It coats your hair and I think really it provides a protection barrier for when you're doing the bleach as well, so it doesn't cause any damage. It's actually very healthy for your hair to have this on there. So what I did is I take about 3 to 4 tablespoons, like big spoon chunkfuls, and then I melt it in the microwave for about a minute, 45 seconds, whatever it takes. And then I'm gonna put that on my hair and saturate it for about an hour. So I will be right back after I put all of the goop on my hair. Hey, so now it has been an hour. I have the coconut oil in my hair. The next step is to do a bleach mixture, mix it with shampoo, and put it on your hair, and that's how you do it. So just in case you're not familiar with bleach, let me show you. This is what I have. I have a big tub of it because I bleach my hair a lot. Okay, so this is B2W Clairol Extra Strength Powder Lightener. So I use that. I also have my Salon Care 30 volume. I get all of my products from Sally's. 30 is the best. So again, if you're not familiar, the higher up number it is, the stronger it is. So 40 would really, really bleach your hair, which is also damaging to your hair. 20 is the least damaging. I have literally every one here. The 20 is least damaging, but it also pulls less color. So I'm gonna mix my powder I already have. I put about 1.5 scoops of that in there. And I'm just gonna dump this all in there because it's not a lot left. So I'm gonna mix. I have the brush and everything. Gonna mix this together. I want to show you the consistency, so you know what to look for. So first, once you get this done, this is the hard part, and then all you have to do is add the shampoo. Coat your hair. There you go. So actually, this is perfect. It smells really bad. Okay. See, look. It's kind of a thick, kind of looks like whipped cream or something, but it's Cool Whip in the bowl. Cool Whip. How did Cool Whip. 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 Okay. So yeah, this is good. I'm actually gonna make a little more because I need to coat my hair good. Then you add whatever shampoo you have, add it to the mixture, mix it around, put it on your hair, and leave it for like 30-45 minutes. like white blonde. So it worked very, very well. And actually this is about a day or two after I actually did the whole bleaching bath thing, because I did a hair mask with coconut oil and different oils and stuff, and I just let it soak on there overnight, and then I rinsed it all off just to make sure that my hair was very well taken care of and healthy. I also, I've tried it before without the coconut oil, and it just does not work like half as good. So definitely soak it in the coconut oil first. It's like a must for it to get like this, because this is good shit. Let me show you the back. I still have some purpleness. I still have some dark roots somehow in there. But for the most part, it's a really good base color for me to do my next color on. So stay tuned for that. I will be doing like a blue mermaidy, teal-y kind of coloring. So stay tuned for that. And if you are not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos, lots of hair tutorials, some makeup stuff, even though I'm like not really half as good as these people on here, but I try. But yeah, so just stay tuned, give me a big thumbs up if you thought this was helpful and you like how it turned out. And comment below, let me know how yours turned out if you try it, or if you have any questions on the whole process. So I'm here for you. Love you guys, have a good day, and bye.